Hello beta, this is your social sciences teacher Aradhna ma'am. So today we are going to discuss 18th chapter Union Government. All of you will revise 18th chapter with me and memorize. Whatever you are getting any problem, send me your problem in comment section. So let's begin with the 18th chapter, that is Union Government. So first of all, the topmost level government in India is यूनियन गवर्नमेंट. द टॉपमोस्ट लेवल सबसे ऊपर वाली गवर्नमेंट जो है इंडिया में वो यूनियन गवर्नमेंट है. दिस इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट एंड द नेशनल गवर्नमेंट. दिस इज ऑल्सो नोन एज सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट or the national government. Okay, the topmost level government is union government, central government or national government is same thing. You know, union government is in Delhi. Okay, and prime minister, president, everyone is the part of that government. Now we are moving towards the three organs of the union government, central government or national government has three organs. तीन part हैं इनके बेटा. I'm going to write on the board three organs: the legislature, the executive, and the third organ is the judiciary. Okay beta, our union government has three organs: the legislature, the executive and the judiciary. Legislature in India is known as parliament, or in Hindi this is known as Sansad. Parliament, in Hindi this is known as Sansad. Okay, legislature in India is known as parliament. In Hindi this is known as Sansad. Indian parliament has two houses. Okay, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Indian parliament has two houses: Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha. Rajya Sabha is the, in English this is known as House of States and House of People. Lok means people, Rajya means states. House of States and House of People. Okay beta, House of States and House of People. Okay beta, Indian Parliament has, revise with me, Indian Parliament has two houses: Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, House of States and House of People. Now we are going to discuss about the composition of these two houses. Take screenshot of all this and memorize. Yes beta, now we are discussing about the very first organ of our union government, and that is legislature. Okay beta, 18th chapter, the union government, legislature, the very first organ. Legislature means parliament. In India, parliament has two houses: Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha. And Rajya Sabha is House of States and Lok Sabha is House of People. Rajya Sabha has 250 members. Members कितने हैं Rajya Sabha के? Rajya Sabha has 250 members and Lok Sabha has maximum 550 members. Okay, 550 members. This is the people. 550 members. Out of these, out of these 238 out of these okay beta, out of these 230 are elected by the state legislature elect करती है इनको and union territories. then है 530 are इधर लोकसभा में क्या है, moving towards the लोकसभा 530 members are डायरेक्टली हम लोग वोट डालते हैं ना, 5 ईयर बाद इलेक्शन होते हैं, आफ्टर 5 ईयर एमपी इनको बोलते हैं मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट. एमपी की जो वोट होती है मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट, 5 ईयर बाद वो हम इलेक्शन, जो हु इज द अबव ऑफ 18, हु इज अबव द एज ऑफ 18 वोट डाल के इनको इलेक्ट करता है 530 मेंबर्स को. ओके, डायरेक्टली इलेक्टेड बाय द पीपल एंड 20 members are elected from the union territories. हमारी union territories कितनी है? 8 union territories 20 members को elect करती है. ओके बेटा, and here 238 member तो state legislature और UTs ने elect कर दी है, and remaining 12 members जो है that is nominated by the President of India. प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया किसी को भी नहीं नॉमिनेट कर सकता अपनी मर्जी से. ही नॉमिनेट दोज पर्सन हु आर डिस्टिंग्विश पर्सनालिटीज. प्रेसिडेंट किसको नॉमिनेट करता है? हु आर द डिस्टिंग्विश पर्सनालिटी, जिन्होंने इंडिया की नेम फेम के लिए काम किया है, वेदर दोज आर इन द स्पोर्ट्स, आर्टिस्ट or any other scientist or any other art, okay, sports person you can say. And टेन्योर, मूविंग टूवर्ड्स द टेन्योर. राज्यसभा की टेन्योर है ईच मेंबर की 6 ईयर एंड लोकसभा की टेन्योर है दैट इज 5 ईयर. आई हैवंट रिटन ऑन द बोर्ड 5 ईयर, 5 years. ओके, लोकसभा टेन्योर इज 5 ईयर. I will discuss the every 2 year 1/3 member of Rajya Sabha is get retired. ओके, एवरी 2 ईयर. अब 250 का 1/3 कर लो जी, कितना होता है? कितना होता है? हर 2 साल बाद ये रिटायर हो जाते हैं. और अगले राज्यसभा परमानेंटली डिसॉल्व नहीं होता, नेवर, बट लोकसभा डिसॉल्व हो जाता है. राज्यसभा कभी भी डिसॉल्व नहीं होता. कीप ऑन वर्किंग. ओनली 1/3 members are retired after 2 year. 2 साल बाद आफ्टर 2 ईयर रिटायर हो जाते हैं. बट लोकसभा एक्सपायर्ड, डिसॉल्व आफ्टर 5 ईयर. बेटा, दिस इज योर D4 क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द बैक एक्सरसाइज ऑफ चैप्टर 18. ठीक है, डिसिमिलैरिटीज बिटवीन द कंपोजिशन ऑफ लोकसभा एंड राज्यसभा. आई हैव रिटन एटलीस्ट 5 points. ओके, take screenshot and memorize this question.